Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is Femida Channa, lecturer zoology from Government Girls Degree College, Moro. Today we will discuss about carbohydrates and conjugated molecules. Let's move to the contents of today's lecture. Carbohydrates, types of carbohydrates, conjugated molecules like glycolipids, lipoproteins, glycoproteins, nucleoproteins. These all are the contents of today's lecture. Carbohydrate. Word carbohydrate is comprised of two words. Carbo, it means carbon. Hydrate means water. Carbohydrate is the organic compound containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, in which hydrogen and oxygen present in the same ratio like a water, that is a 2:1. Carbohydrates are found to occur in all living cells, both as a building material and as a storage substance. Why carbohydrate is a building material of cell? Because cell wall of plant cell is made up of carbohydrate cellulose, therefore it's a building material of cell. And it is why it is a storage substance, because glucose are stored in the form of starch in plants and in the form of glycogen in animals, and a needy time or needy days that glycogen is converted into glucose and give energy. Carbohydrates represent 4% of composition of cell, while about 1% by a dry weight of cell. Carbohydrate mostly sweet in a taste except polysaccharide like starch, glycogen, cellulose. These are no taste. Hence also called sugar or saccharides. Source of carbohydrate that showing this figure like grains, vegetables, legumes, and the sugar. The all are the carbohydrate source. About 45 to 65 of our food should come from carbohydrates. Classification of carbohydrates: monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides. Chemical formula of monosaccharides are C6H12O6. Example of best known examples of monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, galactose. Source of these monosaccharides are fruit, honey, and milk. Disaccharides, their chemical formula is C12H22O11. These are the formula of disaccharides. Their examples are maltose, and the maltose form due to the combination of two glucose molecules. Sucrose, it means table sugar, that is made up of glucose and a fructose molecule. Lactose, it is made up of glucose and a galactose, it means milk sugar. They are source of that barley, table sugar, and milk. Polysaccharides, they are known as complex crepes also. Their chemical formula is C6H10O5 whole bracket N, and that N is showing the number of atoms. The examples are starch, they are found in plants. Cellulose, that made cell wall of plants. Pectin, glycogen, that is a storage form of glucose in animals. Bacteria, fungi also. Best known source of that are bread, pasta, whole cereals, fruit cell wall, liver, and a muscle cell. They are found in the glycogen form. Now the types of carbohydrates described. Monosaccharides. Word monosaccharide is comprised of two words. First word mono, it is taken from a Greek word mono, it means one, and a saccharine is taken from a Latin word saccharon, it means sugar. Carbohydrates which cannot be further hydrolyzed, therefore they are known as simple sugar. These are the monosaccharides. Their general formula is CnH2nOn. Example of that: glucose, galactose, fructose, ribose, etc. Some general characteristics or properties of monosaccharides are: all monosaccharides are white crystalline solids, they are sweet in a taste, they are soluble in water. Source and the names of some monosaccharides showing this figure: glucose, their source is ripe fruits, honey, and a sweet corn. Fructose is known as fruit sugar, and their source is the fruits. Galactose is known as milk sugar also, and their source is milk. And galactose is not found in a free state, they are always found in a combined state like a lactose, etc. Let's move to the other type of carbohydrates like oligosaccharides. Oligo means few and saccharon means sugar. Carbohydrates which on hydrolyze yield 2 to 10 monomers of carbohydrate, that is known as oligosaccharides. Most common and abundant carbohydrates of oligosaccharides are disaccharides. What is disaccharides? The oligosaccharides which contain 3 to 10 monosaccharides are commonly called dextrin. Example of disaccharides are sucrose, table sugar, lactose, milk sugar, maltose, malt sugar. Sucrose source is cane sugar, beetroot. Lactose source is a milk sugar, maltose source is malt sugar. How they form? When a glucose molecule combine with fructose, they form a sucrose, and removal of water takes place. Glucose combined with galactose form a lactose. Glucose plus combined with glucose, they form a maltose. Now move to the polysaccharide. It's the last type of carbohydrates. Poly is a Greek word, it means many. Saccharon is a Latin word, it means sugar. It means those sugar which hydrolyze the yield 100 to more than thousands of monomers, that is known as polysaccharides. Example is starch, glycogen, cellulose. Now starch, most abundant reserve food material of higher plants. It is present in cereals, legumes, potato and other vegetables. They have two different types of starch on the basis of chain type, amylose and amylopectin. Amylose, glucose molecule joined together in a straight chain containing alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage, that is known as amylose. Now the amylopectin, glucose molecule joined together in a straight chain as well as a branched chain contain alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 glycosidic linkage, that is known as amylopectin. Glycogen, it is a reserve polysaccharide found mainly in bacteria, fungi, liver and muscles tissue of animals. It is commonly known as animal starch. Its structure is similar to starch, but they are found in only animals, bacteria and fungi. Cellulose, it is a glucose polymer produced by a plant. It is the main constituent of plant cell wall and most abundant carbohydrate in nature. It contains only alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. It is unbranched polysaccharide. About 80% cellulose molecules can associate to form a microfibril. Now let's move to the function of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is a basic source of energy. How and why? Because in the form of glucose it provides energy to us. Carbohydrate act as a storage food molecule. How? Carbohydrate glucose stored in the form of glycogen in animals and in plants in the form of starch, and they provide energy in the form of glucose. It also works as an excellent building, protective and supportive structure. Why and how? Excellent building material. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. It means it is an excellent building material of that cellulose. Protective and supporting structure. You know very well about the arthropods. Their exoskeleton is made up of chitin, and that chitin is a polysaccharide carbohydrate. It means they are protective and supportive structure in some animals like arthropods. It is a major component of plant cell wall. Now let's move to start a conjugated molecules. What is it? These are biomolecules of two different molecules groups together to form a conjugated molecules. It means like carbohydrates join lipids, they form glycolipids. Glucose combined with protein, they form a glycoprotein. These are the different groups are joined together, they form a conjugated molecules. Types of conjugated molecules: glycolipids, glycoprotein, lipoprotein, nucleoprotein. Now let's start a glycolipids. Glycolipids known as cerebrosides. Why it's known as cerebrosides? Word cerebrum, it means related with the brain. Cerebrocyte, it means what? Why they are known as cerebrocytes? Because the main constitute of brain, it's the main part of brain is made up of this glycolipids, therefore known as cerebrocytes. Glycolipids are conjugated molecule of lipids with carbohydrate molecule. It means lipids combine with carbohydrate, they form a glycolipids. Okay, now glycolipids include sulfolipids and galactolipids component of chloroplast. Glycoprotein, they are known as mucoid. Now carbohydrate unit with protein to form a glycoprotein. Glyco means glucose, it means carbohydrates, and protein, they form, unite together, they form a glycoprotein. They are known as mucoid also. It is present in a small amount of glycoprotein in cell membrane. It contains small amount of carbohydrates, less than 4%. Example of glycoproteins are agalbumin. It means agalbumin consists of glycoprotein and some gonadotropic hormones like FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone, that is a glycoprotein in nature. Now nucleoprotein. Nucleoprotein, conjugated molecule, they are made up of nucleic acid and a protein, therefore it is known as nucleoprotein. When they are hydrolyzed, yield up or give up nucleic acid and a protein, they are known as nucleoprotein. These are weak acid and a water soluble. Nucleoprotein example is histone protein. Lipoprotein. Lipo means lipid, protein, it means those conjugated molecule which is made up of lipid combined with protein, they form a lipoprotein. It transfer lipid in a blood plasma. It is a component of membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, cell membrane, etc. They all about this lectures. Thanks to all to watching this video. Please share your comments or feedback.